You can create titles, transitions, intros, voiceovers, custom sounds, basically everything you need with just one plugin, Motion Factory. And I'm going to tell you how it works as we deep dive into all its features. You can download Motion Factory from Adobe Creative Cloud or directly from Pixflow.net. And when you do, you'll get free credits to explore the AI tools right away, so you can test everything. Motion Factory comes with thousands of ready-to-use templates for After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. Everything is drag and drop ready, so you can add templates directly to your project without wasting hours designing from scratch or searching through browser tabs. You can browse and pick anything that catches your eyes, or if you have something specific in mind, you can search for it instantly and drop it straight into your project. This way, you can stay focused on your editing, keep your workflow uninterrupted, and find all the tools you need without any distractions. But that's not all. This version comes with AI-powered features that'll completely change how you work. Here's the AI voiceover section. You'll see multiple characters. You can click on the play icon to hear their voices. Once you pick one, type your text, you can try different languages, and hit generate. Any voices you create will be saved in the download section of Motion Factory, so you can access them anytime for your projects. It's that easy. You can even adjust tone and speed to match your project perfectly. And remember, you get free credits to try AI voiceovers right away, so you can experiment without spending a dime. Motion Factory comes with a huge library of sound effects, plus an AI sound generator that can create custom SFX in seconds. Perfect for when you need something unique. In the sound effects section, just below AI voiceover, you'll find the main options. Click on any one of them to explore its subcategories. You can also search for a specific sound, download it, and either import it directly to your project or save it for later. And if you don't find exactly what you need, the AI sound generator lets you create your own custom effects in seconds. Any sound effects you generate are also saved in the download section of Motion Factory, so everything stays organized and easy to access. This is where Motion Factory really becomes a full production toolkit. Everything you need all in one place. Now, let me show you how all these features work together. I'm making a short promo clip.
In the shadows of struggle, he rose, not defined by what they saw, but by the fire that burned within.
In just a few minutes, we went from a blank project to a professional video. This is what saves hours of editing time. Now it's your turn. Go experiment with the AI generators and see what you can create.